How to split bills with your friends on the Zelle application or on your Zelle website. This is how you can simply do it. As I'm opening the Zelle main website here, and I'm going to show you all the written steps regarding this, how you can simply process it, as I don't have an Zelle active account. So I'm going to show you the steps from this. Now this is quite easy. To be enrolled with Zelle, have a US bank, checking, or the savings account. This is the must need for creating a Zelle account here, and have the Zelle registered phone number or email address of each person given to pay. To split a bill using Zelle in digital banking, select transfer and pay, then send and request money with Zelle. Choose split a bill, select the person you would like to split the bill with, click on next. If the person is already on your list, it will be added to your recipient. If you don't have it, you can simply add it manually. Now complete the split a bill from and then select review. Enter the total amount to split. This should only include your portion of the bill. Don't worry, it won't be taken from your account. It's only used to calculate the other person's portion. Add a memo that is optional. Allocate the amount you would like to request from each person. To start, amounts are automatically calculated to split the total evenly bill you and the others. You can adjust the figures by selecting the dollar amount next to the person's name. This is how you can exactly send a request on Zelle. Thank you so much for watching this video.